Well, hello and welcome to our video. My name is John Watts. I'm a consumer protection lawyer in the state of Alabama, and we defend folks all over the state who are sued by debt collectors or debt buyers. These are companies like Midland Funding, Calvary, LVNV, Velocity, Cascade Cap, all different companies. And if you particularly are defending yourself, you may get something in the mail that says request for admissions. You go, what in the world is that? Those are requests for you to either admit something or deny it. It's a type of discovery. Discovery is where both parties can ask each other questions or ask for documents, or in this situation, ask that you admit something. Now, you need to be truthful when you do this. The whole purpose of these requests for admissions, though, is to get you to admit something that maybe you should not admit, and then you lose your case. Let me give you an example. Now, if it says, admit that your name is Joe Blow, well, okay, that's easy. Admit that you live in Jefferson County or Mobile County, Madison County, that's fine. But here's where they start getting tricky. It'll say, admit that the plaintiff, that's the debt buyer who sued you, owns the debt. Well, see, a lot of people, they get that, they go, well, I mean, they sued me, I guess. And they say yes. Well, here's my question. How in the world would you know that? How would you know that Midland Funding, Velocity, Cascade, LVNV, Calvary, whoever it is, how would you know that they own the debt? That maybe they sent you some partial paperwork. Well, you know, partial paperwork can be more deceptive than no paperwork. All right? So how would you know that? Truth of the matter is you don't know that. They say, admit that we are fully entitled to this debt. How would you know that? Did they buy the debt? Do they still own the debt? You know, it started over here with Chase or City Financial or whoever, and it goes to this company, and now Midland. Well, how do you know Midland didn't sell it to somebody else? Because they won't even prove to you that they own the debt. So how do you know they haven't sold it to somebody else? Well, the point is, there's a lot of these that the truthful answer is you would say, I have no idea, and so I deny it. Now, a couple things. One, get with your lawyer, okay? And if you don't have a lawyer and you're getting requests for admissions, this is getting really serious. So you might need to think about getting a lawyer. Second thing is, let me tell you what 95%, maybe 99% of people who don't have a lawyer do. They get these requests for admissions, they go, this is stupid. I'm not answering these. I'll just show up at court. I just want my trial. But the problem is, once you get these, you have about 30 days in Alabama to answer them. If you don't answer them, you just admitted them. You say, well, wait a minute. I don't know that Midland owns the debt, or I don't know that Cascade owns the debt. Well, when you don't answer these in the time limit, you just admitted them. And I've had people come to me because they lose their case because of the request for admissions. They go, that's so unfair. It may be, but those are the rules. It's like somebody not knowing the rules and they're playing football. I might say, well, I didn't know that, you know, you could throw the ball down the field. Well, that's part of the rules. So if you're going to be in this game, you don't have any choice. They sued you. If you're going to represent yourself, you got to know the rules. You have to understand them, because these requests for admissions are very, very dangerous. They need to be responded to properly. If you need to object, you object to them, but you need to respond to them truthfully. And the truth of the matter is, so many of these questions, the answer is, I have no idea, so I'm going to deny it. So if you have questions about this, obviously if you have your own lawyer, get with your own lawyer, but if you don't have a lawyer, and you want to talk to us about this, maybe how do you answer these? Should you get a lawyer? We'll be happy to do that. Just pick up the phone and give us a call. 205-879-2447, or you can reach us through our website, alabamaconsumer.com. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.